Hello, my name is Melissa Cook, and I am one of the assistant directors at the Sounds of Superior course. And today we are singing for you Go Tell It on the Mountain.
Jesus Christ is born. Jesus the Holy Child is born. Down in a lowly manger, our humble Christ was born. And God sent our salvation that blessed Christmas morn. Go tell it on the mountain, over the hills and everywhere. Children, go and tell it on the mountain that Jesus Christ is born. Jesus the Holy Child is born. Go and tell it on the mountain. Go now and tell it on the mountain. Go and tell it on the mountain. Go now and tell it on the mountain. Children, go and tell it on the mountain. Go and tell it on the mountain. Children, go and tell it on the mountain. Go and tell it on the mountain. Children, go and tell it on the mountain. Go and tell it on the mountain. Children, go and tell it on the mountain. Go and tell it on the mountain. Shout it,